Hey guys, it's Maria and today's video is going to be an everyday makeup tutorial. I haven't filmed a video in a really long time. I don't know how to film, but every time I make a YouTube video I will edit it and then I just won't post it because I just look at it for too long and I'm like, ugh, I don't want to upload that, like, no thank you. But here I am filming an everyday makeup tutorial for you guys. I get a lot of comments on my TikTok asking me how I do my makeup, so I thought this would be a great video to film for you guys. So obviously I already did my eyebrows. I have an eyebrow tutorial up if you guys want to see how I do it. I kind of did them a little thick today, but it's okay. They look cute, you know? After I fill in my brows, I like to take the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I really like this. I know it was like popular, like a lot of people were talking about it, so I bet you guys already know what this product is. I like it, but I just applied that on my face. After primer, I like to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in natural beige. After foundation, I like to take the Morphe concealer in C235. Yeah, I like this concealer. It's a good concealer. It does its job. I like to conceal around my nose, my chin, my nose, underneath my eyes. And I like to do on my eyelids and on my forehead. And that's all the concealer that I put on my face. I post a lot on TikTok if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, because I think TikTok is the social media that I post the most on, because it's just easy, you know? You can just film a 30-second video and just lip sync to a song. After concealer, I like to contour, and I use the Too Faced chocolate bronzer, like the medium shade, I think, which is crazy because I think this is like medium to dark, and I think I'm like medium, you know? And I think this is the darkest shade. Like, girl, come on, Too Faced, we need a range for our black queens. They need to come out with more range though, unless they do now, because I bought this hella days ago. Like, no, I actually got this as a gift. I didn't even buy it, never mind. The fuck. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but yeah, Too Faced, you need more color range for your bronzer because this isn't dark enough. I use the same brush that I use for my eyebrows to trace my contour, but let me, I guess, zoom this in so I can show you guys what I do. Okay, so there's my nose. I put a line underneath here to shorten my nose because I have a really long nose, or I have a long nose. And then, you know, you want like that cute button nose, so then you do the other line right there, and then you're just gonna go like that. And I like to bring it up from the sides of my nose. Okay, so once you outline your nose, you're gonna take a brush like this. Okay, so you're gonna take that brush and you're going to just blend the lines out. And this will make your nose snatched, queens. Once you have the nose looking like this, you blend her out as much as you can, and then you're going to take the Morphe concealer, I guess, or whatever concealer you use, and you're just going to take a brush like this, this is the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just going to place it, the contour on the tip of my nose. I mean, not the contour, the concealer, sorry. And then you're gonna place the concealer on the bridge as well. Just like that. Ooh, okay. Then you're going to place concealer on the sides of the nose as well, so that you can have like that snatched effect. Sorry, that was my phone. I don't know if you got that, but you're gonna take your sponge and you're gonna just blend that out, and then it's gonna look like that. This brush again, and I'm going to just go over it because maybe the concealer, you know, went on the outside of the edge. You want it to be more snatched, so you're gonna go over the line again. After you get your contour looking like this, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and I'm gonna take the banana color, and I'm just gonna take a brush like this, and I'm going to put the banana shade, or the highlighting shade, on the bridge of my nose and on the tip. And I'm also going to do it on the sides. I think this is the e.l.f. blush brush, but I'm going to just use it to contour my face. This is how your nose should look like after you like contoured it. I just wanted to do like an in-depth, just like really quickly, like how I do my nose contour. Today I'm going to be highlighting my nose with this shade from the James Charles palette. So now moving on to eyeliner. I use the Maybelline New York Ultra Liner. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner pretty thick. Honestly, it changes every day for me, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows pretty thick today. So I'm gonna just show you how I do that. Follow the natural line, or how your eye naturally like goes like that. So that's like a really bad explanation, but that's the best that I can do. So yeah. So you could leave your eyeliner just like this. Most days I just do it like this, but there's an extra step that I like to do sometimes, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that. With the black shade, I'm just going to smudge it like on the bottom right here. This makes your eyeliner like look different. So this is the difference, I guess. And sometimes I don't want to have my makeup look too dark, so I don't do this step, but you just want to connect it and like smudge it out. That was the extra step that I like to do. So after I'm done with my eyeliner, I take the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelashes. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I just popped on some lashes from the lash company Lash Dreams in the style Sweetie, and these are probably the biggest pair of lashes that I own, but I think they look really cute. I kind of feel like they give your eyes like a doll eye effect, which I think is really cute. So yeah, if you guys want to check those lashes out, I'll link them in the bio, and I will actually put every product that I used in this video in my description. That is it for my makeup tutorial. I know this is a very dramatic look. If you guys want to see a natural makeup look, let me know, like an everyday natural look. I could do that for you guys. Okay, so I don't know what happened to my outro, but it got like cut off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see me do next. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys!